How to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. If your Wi-Fi is automatically turning off or not working on your iPhone, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue step by step. So let's get started. First, let's start with the simplest fix, restarting your iPhone. A quick restart can solve many connectivity problems. To restart, press and hold the power button and the volume button until you see the slide to power off slider. Slide it, wait for the phone to turn off, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Next, try forgetting the Wi-Fi network and reconnecting it. This can help reset the connection if there's an issue with the network settings. To do that, simply swipe down from the control to open the control center. Simply choose the Wi-Fi and simply tap on Wi-Fi settings. Now to forget a network, simply tap on the network that you want to forget and simply tap on forget this network. A prompt will appear asking you whether you want to forget this Wi-Fi network. Simply tap on forget and now reconnect the same network by selecting it from the Wi-Fi list and entering the password. Another quick fix is simply toggling airplane mode. This resets and wireless connections including Wi-Fi. Just simply turn on the airplane mode from the control center and simply turn that off. This can help refresh your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the issue may be caused by outdated software. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to settings, tap on general and go to software update. If there's an update available, simply tap download and install. Installing the latest updates can fix any bugs causing Wi-Fi problems. If none of the above fixes work, you can try resetting your network. Go back to general, simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and simply tap on reset network settings. And that's it. These are the best steps to fix Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone.